Good evening, y'all. My name is Joe, and welcome back to Z-Fighter Performance Garage. On today's vlog, we're going to be going over some of the parts that have come in for the Dodge Viper project. These parts we're hoping to get installed on the Viper this Saturday, as well as any other parts that may come between now and Saturday. So hopefully you like today's video. If you do, please don't forget to hit the like button as well as the subscribe button. Also turn on your post notifications, and here we go. I'm gonna have you here. Can you hold this? It's kind of hard to record and open this thing at the same time.
Ooh-wee.
That is quite nice.
Hell yeah.
Dang, even the back cover is... Man, this thing is clean. That worked that time. Third time's the charm. Kind of awkward, huh? Yep. Yeah, you gotta get the pallet jack, please. Yeah. Yep. Alrighty. Well, I appreciate it. Thanks. You too. You be safe. It'll. Yeah. Good. Yeah. You want me to do it? You can film. I'll do it.
I ain't trying to break nothing, bro.
That's all good.
Yeah, I know. Some liability right there.
Well, there's not another one for sale in the country.
Wow.
Right now.
Hang up.
Here you go.
Me.
You got the video, everything? Want to make sure it's not broken or what? Joe, you guys got a videotape?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Need some help?
Yeah, actually might.
Alright, let me know what you need.
I think we're gonna try and pick this. Go ahead and pick that up while I hold the bottom. Ready?
Got it.
Ooh.
Well, let's start off, Joe.
Now. Good though. They package it well.
Yeah, I did.
There she is.
Choo.
Sweet. She's ready to go.
Good?
Yep, good.
Let's see. Got some packages that came in. I just opened them to make it a little bit easier on myself trying to video it. So the first thing we have is the Sneaky Pete third brake light. Brand new. That looks awesome. And of course, we got the rear hatch glass, which you'll see in a second, as well as we have the new seats for the Viper, because those are garbage. see what else we got. Also, brand new passenger side door handle. Still looking for the driver's side. OEM, still from Mopar in the box. It's really cool. And last but not least, we have the passenger side mirror. Primered and ready to go. So, quick little, I guess you say, update as far as parts go. Did already order the hood as well as headlights. So it looks like what we need now is the passenger side rocker panel and a few little interior parts. I was able to buy a OEM, still in the box, new, old stock, however you want to state it, e-brake handle. Still have to get the shifter knob. And like I said just a second ago, still have to get the driver's side door handle. And yeah, so that's kind of where we're at right now. Hopefully we can get most of these parts put on this weekend, get the seats swapped out, and clean the carpet, kind of dive into the interior, see what all we really need to purchase. I know that I do have to get the rear hatch trim piece at the very back. That was not in the rear for some reason. I guess it got broken and got thrown away or something. I'm not really too sure. But that's kind of a quick parts update, and hopefully we can start getting on this Dodge Viper project.